So my boss just told me about a guy in the building who is apparently spraying one of our products with a garden hose or something, and that I'm supposed to make a video out of it. But the whole thing is just really confusing. And I'm a busy guy, so I thought instead of me figuring it out, that we would just take one of the interns, wire him up with a microphone, and send him in there to get to the bottom of this thing. So, let's see. Dan, I've got a very important mission for you. Yeah.
Okay.
Apparently there's a guy in the building who's gonna soak one of our products with a garden hose. I don't know why, I don't know where, I don't know how. I'm just gonna wire you up with a microphone and you're gonna chase the story like a good news reporter, okay?
I won't let you down.
I know you won't, Dan.
And so off I went to follow Dan as he followed the story. This eventually led us to a self-serve car wash not far from the office. Dan, do you know what's going on right now?
Not really.
Here's your microphone. We don't actually know anything. We know that the action is happening in there somewhere. You got your microphone, you got your brain. The VIA Mobile360 M800 Series chassis is sealed up to IP69K standards, which means that it should be able to withstand close proximity high-pressure water. These units wouldn't normally be installed on the exterior of a car in this manner, but it did give the engineers and Dan the opportunity to test it.
Well, this is great. This is what I came to Taiwan for. I'm having a great time here. So, I guess why did we do this today?
因为我们因应那个客户的需求，就是开发那个防水盒，那所以我们今天出来那个做初步的验证。对。
Did you have any nerves before you started that it might break or might not work?
这部分当然是会有，但是我相信我们工程师可以处理得很好。
So would you use this yourself? If you could have it for free, would you use it yourself?
当然我会用。
Okay. How often in your job do you have to do things like this? Like this kind of job, like spraying down a car to test the product, stuff like that.
就是如果有需求的话才会过来这边，不然就是会到实验室去。
Were you happy with the results of today?
目前看起来满意，然后我们回去还会再 check 内部的状况。
Good to meet you. Good to meet you.
Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below. Stick around for more videos.